CaseXchange is the direct connection from the coDiagnostiX software to the Smile-in-a-Box service. The coDiagnostiX user will be able to share the patient order, including DICOM, surface STL file, and the implant positioning with the Smile-in-a-Box team by using this connection. After order creation and implant position planning in coDiagnostiX, you are ready to perform CaseXchange. Click on the CaseXchange button in the bar at the top to start the connection. In this new window, you can already select from one of the connected reference labs or add a new partner. To add a new partner, click on the Add icon. Select Add Reference Laboratory and select your Smile-in-a-Box Regional Partner Laboratory from the list. Click on Request to connect to the Smile-in-a-Box service and wait for the partner to confirm the connection. Once the connection has been confirmed, you can select your Smile-in-a-Box service and click Send Order to share the case seamlessly via CaseXchange.